My name is Taylor McCoy, and I'm here doing an internship at Kilbride. Getting out here and being in the field is like being a kid again and getting to play in dirt without getting yelled at. We're really proud of our trail system. It extends from the beginning of Kilbride all the way down to here, and then you can even walk down to the lake. At the beginning of the summer, it was a lot of either creating trails that we didn't have, and so that requires a lot of weed eating, mowing, raking leaves that don't need to be there. And then once we have that trail, we can focus on maintaining it. We do want it to be more accessible for either students at Wesleyan or people that come and visit, like our outreach that we're doing to more middle schools and high schools, just for them to be able to see our trail system and get to be able to walk the whole acreage that we have here. Tennessee Wesleyan had something that no other college I looked at had to offer, and it was Kilbride. Nowhere else has 92 acres of land where I can be in my own habitat and be in my niche area where I get to explore. After I graduate, I hope to either do wildlife biology or zoology. It's just very special being here and getting to appreciate everything that Tennessee has to offer, let alone Kilbride.
Get your hands dirty learning in our 92-acre classroom at Kilbride Nature Sanctuary, only at Tennessee Wesleyan University.